No matter what happens, you should always look for the positive side. At least she has a short shift today.
Oh, damn. No.
You're the ones where you can like press the button.
When making a turn, it's important to think not only about yourself, but also to leave enough space for oncoming vehicles.
Are you serious?
But we still got delays there. Northbound Highway 11 at Sparrow Lake, a left lane is blocked off for maintenance work. Eastbound 401, we have delays through the Salem.
The first crash slowed him down a bit. Otherwise, he would have been testing the truck's durability firsthand. Some drivers think their lane isn't enough, so they boldly try to take yours. Speeding in heavy highway traffic is a one-way ticket to an unexpected crash. This case is a clear example of why keeping a safe distance is essential. Overtaking at high speed is like playing the lottery, but the jackpot might be a crash. Imagine driving peacefully when suddenly a car next to you is balancing on two wheels like a stunt scene from an action movie. That's a memory for a lifetime. Stopping in the middle of the highway without warning signs is like inviting an accident. The outcome is obvious.
Followed by a diagnostic colonoscopy. False positive and negative results may occur. Homozygous is not a replacement.
A green light isn't a safety guarantee. A quick glance around can save you a lot of trouble and your bumper.
Neither humor nor chorus. Something related to both. You call them the faceless.
Sometimes seeing certain drivers in action makes you wonder if they got their license in a cereal box. If I were this couple, I'd buy a lottery ticket right away.
Of the house seemed to bulge out in an impossible curve.
If you think crossing in front of a fast-moving tram is a good idea, this is the kind of result you can expect. The Chevrolet driver probably thought he was a ghost and that the other car would pass right through him. Even if the road looks empty, stay alert. Surprises can come out of nowhere. A conflict flared up between the drivers, but the driver on the right showed wisdom. Rather than arguing, he just hit the gas and drove away. If you see a car swerving on the road, it's best to slow down. It's always better to keep your foot near the brake since road conditions can change in an instant.
Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number 8.
Some drivers are too impatient and start moving before you even pass. This driver doesn't care about rules. He follows his own laws, ignoring everyone else. A slight tap on the brakes could have helped to avoid making things worse. If you see the traffic light flashing, don't test your luck, just stop. What was this driver thinking? That everyone would just go around him?
It takes a whole week for him to... Oh, shit. Oh! Don't come towards us.
If there were an award for the catastrophic turn, he would definitely win it.
Idiot.
A small car check before the trip can save you money, nerves, and health. It's frustrating when you're just an observer 1 second and an unwilling participant in a crash the next. The chances of this happening are 1 in a million, but guess what? Today is that day.
What the? Ah, look at the...
Mommy Dearest acted like it was her right to get the damage repaired anywhere she...
Supposed to fight crime, but ended up causing the chaos himself. This girl had 7 business days to move her car, but in the end she made the only right decision not to put her life and the lives of others at risk. Trying to put out a burning car with branches isn't the best choice. A fire extinguisher would do a much better job. Arrogance and overconfidence on the road often lead to outcomes like this. A simple rule: if you see an intersection, slow down.
Car 219. Motor vehicle collision. 5300, 5698.
The truck driver didn't even slow down, as if he didn't see it at all. One of the most dangerous mistakes is to keep driving when your eyes are closing. Better to arrive late than never. Sometimes nature itself gives a hint to stop. Driving in dangerous weather isn't worth the risk. Foolishness and arrogance are the two main causes of such drivers.
McCarthy right now. We can take them one at a time.
Dime,